Greetings to all of the STP Trading Brokers followers. Today we are going to educate you the ways to deposit money in our broker. To do this, first enter www.stptrading.io and click on Login at the top. Insert your email address, password, and your user panel. Well, enter funds from the right sidebar and click on the deposit. On this page, first choose your deposit method, such as cryptocurrency, online payment, or other options. Well, for example, we choose currency in the deposit information section. First select your real account, and then choose the currency, as we have already chosen Tether. And click on Get Wallet. At the bottom of the page, your wallet address for deposit is shown. You should copy and transfer the desired amount from your wallet to this address.
For the bank deposit method, enter another section and fill in the requested items according to the password section. In the payment section, you should choose $, so that the account information for depositing money will appear for you. You can insert your desired amount in the box below. Please be careful. After depositing the amount, make sure to upload your deposit receipt. Finally, click on Add Deposit. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video.